Hello, Just Good Yorbricks back with another LEGO review. And today's review is the SpongeBob set, which is set number 3833, the Krusty Krab Adventures, and it's ages 6 to 12. It was released in 2009. It has 209 pieces, 3 minifigures, and retails for 25 bucks. You could still get this set on LegoShop.com even though it was released in 2009. But I guess they're probably going to make another version of it next year. So now on to the box. The box for this set is pretty detailed, and I think it's a pretty nice box. The front just depicts the set, nothing really special, and of course the figures. On the back, they show, I guess, the play features of the set, even though there's not much. And it's a pretty basic box. And they also advertise Good Neighbors of Bikini Bottom, which is set number 3834. That set is discontinued at the moment. Now on to the instruction booklet. The instruction booklet is pretty small as there's only 42 pages of building, which is quite unusual for a $25 set. There's nothing much in the instruction booklet besides the building steps. And there's, I think, let me see how much advertisements. There's just one little page showing the play features and stuff like the back, and one advertisement for the SpongeBob sets, which was the Bikini Bottom set from 2009, and a little Lego Club advertisement. And there's no Win Kid, as this is from 2009, so I don't think they have it on any of those, as he started to appear in 2010. Now on to the minifigures. Our first figure is SpongeBob, and he's just a basic minifigure, except as with all SpongeBob versions, you could take off his head, and his headpiece is just like, it's just this weird rectangular sponge piece, and you just pop it on because the bottom has a little stud, and you put it on like that, and there's no back printing, sadly. So that's it for SpongeBob. Our next figure is Patrick, and he's a pretty cool figure. He looks faithful to the cartoon counterpart, and I like his swim trunks. They look pretty funny, and they look faithful to the counterpart for the cartoon. And he has a unique face just to the set where he's sticking out his tongue, kind of. And he has no back printing, which is sad again. Now on to Mr. Krabs. Here's the Mr. Krabs figure. He's a pretty cool figure himself. He is holding 2 $100 bills, which is just a basic 1x2 tile piece. And he has a shirt that's like his business attire, as in the show. And like all the other figures, he has no back printing, except he has this back mold where it's like bumpy right there. Sadly, there's no Squidward in this set, which I think is lacking. Now on to the build itself. Besides the figures, the paddy wagon is probably the best part of this set. It looks really faithful to the movie counterpart, as this was only in the movie, as seen. And here's the back, which is some backlights. Or wait, no, this is the front. This was the back. And I like the details they did with the lettuce and, I guess, tomatoes. And Patrick fits snug right on here. You see, right there. And he could drive it around and you just push it around and stuff like that. Now on to the Krusty Krab. The Krusty Krab in the set is pretty bad. It's quite disappointing, I have to say. If you're looking for one, just go for the 2006 version, which, even though that's lackluster itself, it's way better than this one. First off, the Krusty Krab sign right there isn't even in the show. It's on the side in like a little clam thing, which was in the 2006 version. The outside looks nice, I guess, because there's like an enter sign and all of this, except there's no windows right here, so someone could just break in. But that was also a 2006 version. On the side, well, on both sides basically, there's no windows, like I said. And on the back, there's barely anything in here. There's supposed to be this little, I guess, table thing, but that always falls over and stuff. And it's not even attached to anything. They should have at least included some chairs. And there's this part, I guess, for like a dishwasher or something. Or a bank. And some cups. And the grill is this, and the cash register is right next to the grill. It doesn't make much sense. One thing though, since I got the 2011 version of this 2009 set, It came with the new flag pieces, which is pretty cool, I guess, but I guess it kind of kills continuity with the old sets. But whatever. So that's it for the build. Now on to the final verdict. Overall, this set is quite disappointing. I mean, it's usually bashed a lot on forums and stuff like that, but I don't think it's as bad as people put it, but it's still pretty bad. I rate this set a 6 out of 10, as it's not really a good set, but I'd rather buy like Glove World or stuff like that if you're looking for SpongeBob. And I'll see you next review. Bye.